Namaskar, welcome to my channel Best. And today I'm going to give you information about this recent job notification which comes from BITS Pilani Dubai campus. This is for office attendant for admission department. The job title is going to be office attendant, and you are going to work with the admission team at BITS Planet Dubai campus. Position title is going to be office attendant. As I mentioned, it's a full-time job, and you have to report to senior manager admission department at BITS Planet Dubai campus. Now let's go to the job responsibility for this current position. What you are going to do in this job? So you have to provide the support to the administrative and operational admission office. You have to ensure that whatever the day-to-day work is there, considering the like helping the staff and assisting the staff, students and visitors, those things you have to take care of. Now what are the key responsibilities? So there is one is office support, document handling, front desk assistance, event support, coordination support, and general duties. So these are the main six responsibilities that you have to do. Office support, whatever the support is required within the admission department, you have to do, such as let's say photocopying, filing, documentation. That will come also in the document handling. So whatever the, let's say, document are there, let's say as an example admission document, so you have to take care of those documents, you have to record those documents, you have to handle those documents, you have to maintain that, you should pass that document to the respective higher authorities. So document handling is there. Then we have front desk and assistant. So in this case, you have to assist the managing queues during pre-admission hours or pre-admission dates. You have to provide a direction and support with the admission office. So like this is the help that you can easily do as an assistance. And then there is an event support. So whatever the event is happening by the admission team at BITS Planet Dubai campus, you have to provide your support. Such as an example, you have to get logistic for that, you have to help under obtaining the refreshment, all those things you have to do. Then we have coordination support, and lastly general duty. So it's a full-time job, you have to do kind of an as a office attendant for admission department. Now considering the educational qualification, if you are 12th pass, this is a very good opportunity. There is no need to get a bachelor degree. If you are 12th pass, you're good to go. And freshers are encouraged to apply. They're going to consider freshers. If you have 0 to 1 year of experience, it's good. And considering the benefits, or you can say the salary, as you can see, it is only they are requiring only 12th pass. I'm not sure what will be the salary. They will not mention in the this job description document, but I would say the salary would range around 2 to 4,000 dirhams per month. And lastly, competencies required, that you should know basic, like you should know the communication skill, you should have the expertise on the communication skill, at least English language they will prefer. Then you should follow the instruction whatever is provided. You should be punctual, reliable, and you should assist whatever duties is assigned to you in a very positive manner. So these are the what you can say competencies required, and I already described the educational qualification is 12th pass. A good opportunity, last date to apply this is 20th of April 2026. You can apply to this by clicking on this link, and it will take you to this website. Now let me just show you how to apply. So you can just click on this apply now option. So if you click on this apply now option, you can see now post applied for, you can see office attendant. Click on the office attendant, and you can, after clicking on this office attendant, you provide all the details which are necessary, which is shown by this asterisk marks, which are compulsory. You have to provide those details. Let's say if you don't have any current job, just write NA, not applicable. If you don't have any current salary, write not applicable. And all the other details you can just fill it out. Wherever it is not applicable, you can just write NA. And as you can see over here, they just require your higher secondary details. You can just provide those higher secondary details in this. You should provide the references. As you, let's say you are a 12th pass, you can provide the references of anyone whom you know. Let's say your friend, or you can also provide a reference as of your teacher. If you know, if you have any teacher which can provide your references, which can provide your reference letter, you can provide your teacher name also. And then you can click on I confirm the above entries and you can submit this form. So this is about your the job. This is about how to fill the form. If you have any questions in this, just comment in the comment box. So I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.